Okay. 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 I don't. That candle is such a nice touch. Am I a genius or what? Okay. All right. This is gonna be really, really quick. The supplement is magnesium, 200 milligram gummies. This one's vegan. It doesn't have any gelatin in it, and it does have lemon balm in it. So this one, it works. So if you've seen my previous video on like anxiety and just having whatever, like it's a bunch of stuff. And of course, this isn't like just the most perfect thing that's ever existed and it's gonna cure every single situation ever. But oh my gosh, does this help you get to sleep? Does this help take the edge off? Does this shift? Like if you're already doing some other things, if you're meditating a little bit, if you're drinking some more water, if you're trying to fix your sleep schedule, and you're like, you know, I'm trying, I would like a supplement, I'm thinking about supplements, this is this is the one. So I would recommend the magnesium citrate. There's another form of magnesium. This one, this is the one. That's the video. It's this supplement. Sleep better, feel better, do better, look better. Did I say be better? You know what I mean? This is the one. That's all. I just wanted to share that because I be looking for things and then people don't share the thing, and this is the thing, this is a real deal, and they're not sponsoring me. Can you imagine? With my like followers, they're like, here, you have 2 followers, sponsorship. But I mean, hey, nature's truth, if you want to sponsor me, you can sponsor me. Okay, but this works. If you have anxiety, this works. If you are like trying to fix your sleep schedule, this works to make you sleepy. If you want to relax your muscles, this works. Magnesium is king. It's so cool. It feels so good. And the gummies are really good. There's no gelatin in it. The other ingredients are like sugar and glucose syrups. If you're trying to decrease sugar, then don't eat it. But like, here's spit a little bit. Anyway, it's helped so much. Like you don't think like I bought so many supplements, I take vitamins. It doesn't like, they're not all winners, right? Anyway, I clearly haven't taken it yet, so I'm a little like zzz. But yeah, that works. Also, stop drinking caffeine. That's helpful. But you don't need to do that to like have this work. It's just free tip, subscribe. Okay, bye.